Well, if you look at it, the current network security solution, predominantly there are two approaches. And one approach is really do a lot of inspection of the packets that comes in, and then try to make sure that the security policy are being enforced. And so that, for example, the firewalls, the IDS, IPS devices, right? The problem for that is almost like in dealing with today's content-based attack, it's almost like a blind man facing with an elephant. You only see this part, you only see that part. You really do not see the whole content, do not see the intent of the content you're trying to do. So in a lot of degree, you see bits and pieces, but you don't have the visibility. That's one category, which really is invented in the late 1990s, last century. The other thing is basically the proxy server-based approach, right? I got the content in, I store it somewhere, I do analysis, then release it. And it is useful, but it's not really a network-based solution, which means that you are going to become the bottleneck of the network. You are going to dictate how the network topology is going to be, right? And again, this is the proxy-based solution is also invented in the late 1990s, last century technology. And with today's sophistication of the threats, they are not enough anymore. The purpose is almost the same. The purpose, if you look at both camps, they all try to reach the ultimate solution, which is a complete visibility of what's going on at the network. If you look at how the technology has been evolving from the early days of firewall, the ability to understand packet headers, to later days such as IDS, IPS devices, the ability to understand, for example, the packet body. And now we are hearing buzzwords such like next generation firewall, and those guys are really tried very hard to try to put multiple packets together to reduce the false positive detection and increase the detection rates. And I would say that the goal is the same, that they are all trying to get more and more visibility of the data. Now, the difference is that deep content inspection from get-go believe that the communication, the purpose of communication is transmitting content, not packets. So if you actually gain complete visibility in the content, you are really be able to in a position to make accurate decisions, rather than try to go with a lot of limitations that are intrinsic with the traditional deep packet-based approach.